Moving on, South Africa's President Cyril Ramaphosa is facing calls to resign over an old scandal. The country's constitutional court has now ruled that the parliament violated the constitution by blocking moves to impeach Ramaphosa in 2022. This was after burglars stole about $580,000 in cash from Cyril Ramaphosa's ranch that year. The money was hidden inside a sofa in the ranch. The incident has led to allegations that the president had not accounted for where that cash had come from. However, Ramaphosa had denied all wrongdoing, and his party, the ANC, was in power with an absolute majority in the parliament. So it has squashed moves to impeach him at the time. But now, South Africa's constitutional court says that the move to quash and the inquiry was unconstitutional.
The National Assembly's vote must likewise be set aside because it was taken under an invalid rule that prevented the National Assembly from properly determining whether a ground for impeachment existed. The vote, therefore, lacked a lawful foundation. By a majority, concludes that the report must be referred to the impeachment committee.
Cyril Ramaphosa's office, meanwhile, says that he respects the court's decision, but his political opponents, including F leader Julius Malema, who had taken the matter to the Constitutional Court, are now demanding that he resign.
Looks like now is for Ramaphosa to use his conscience and resign as the president of South Africa and go and face the impeachment. We can't have a president that is doing the work of president and doing the work of impeachment. He must concentrate on one. He can't concentrate on the president. He has to concentrate on impeachment. This goes again to the doorstep of the ANC. They must choose South Africa or they must choose Ramaphosa.
The ANC is not currently in a majority in the South African parliament. It is part of the coalition with the Democratic Alliance Party, and the DA says that it will participate fully in any impeachment proceedings and not prejudge their outcome. South Africa's parliament must now establish an impeachment committee and reopen a process which may become the most serious threat to Ramaphosa's presidency. Our correspondent Kalden Ongmu has sent us this report from Johannesburg. Take a look.
An extraordinary day for South Africans and its judicial system. The country's highest court, the Constitutional Court, has ruled in favor of an application brought by opposition parties against Parliament's decision to block the impeachment inquiry recommended by a panel which had concluded that South Africa's President, Cyril Ramaphosa, has a case to answer for the concealment of the theft of $580,000 at his farm in Limpopo province. Now, the big question is, will Ramaphosa survive a possible impeachment in the parliament that must now proceed? This is Kalden Ongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa, for WION World is One.